Let's talk about the central theme of the poem, The Night Mail by W.H. Auden. So, the first theme is communication and connection. So, this train, the night mail, it delivers letters to people from all walks of life, be it rich, be it poor, whether they are living in the city or the countryside. So, it delivers letters to everyone, to all people around the world. So it connects them through the letters, through the postal orders, through the checks. Okay, so this symbolizes the unity across the nation. The next theme of the poem is importance of written communication. So this train, the night mail, it helps in maintaining relationships, in sharing news, and also in expressing emotions through what? Through the letters. The next one is social equality. As I just said, that the letters, they don't see that whether the person is rich or the person is poor. So there is a letter for everyone. There's a letter for the shop, for the person working in the shop. There is a letter for the girl in the girl next door. Okay, so be it they are rich, they are poor, there's a letter for everyone. Then there is another very important theme, and that is human vulnerability and the desire to be remembered. So the poem shows that how vulnerable humans are. Nobody wants to be forgotten. Everyone wants to be taken care of. Okay, everyone wants to be remembered through the letters. Here it is through the letters. So, and this is the reason why everyone waits in anticipation of letters from the night mail. Okay, and also there's a letter of from their loved ones, even business related ones. So the poet shows that there is a universal need of humans to stay connected, okay, to stay close to the people they love and the people they care through these letters. Subscribe my channel Beauty of Language for more updates on the poems like this.